How to color cell in Canva table. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can select individual cell in table and color it. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. I am on my Canva. So this is a blank page. So let me insert one table here. Okay, so this is table we have. I just select this one. So now if you want to color the cell, okay, just select that cell. Okay, so I just select that cell, or you can select the multiple cell like this. You have to just select first cell and then hit the your control button on keyboard and hold it. Okay, hit the control button and hold it, then select the another cell like this. Okay, now you can color it. Go to this color options and select any color. One sec. Okay, you have to come this color option. Okay, and you can select any color. Okay, you can also make color individually. Select one cell like this. Okay, when this green highlight come, it means it's selected. Just select it. Now go to the color and choose the color. Okay, same as you can do any cells. Okay, you can also select multiple cells. As I told you, you have to just hit the control key, hold it, select multiple cell like this, and go to the color options and select your colors. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.